Welcome to Gentle Health. I am Dr. Stephen. If you often feel weak, tired, or find it hard to climb stairs or lift things even though you eat healthy and stay active, the problem might be sarcopenia. This is when your muscles slowly shrink and lose strength as you age. But the truth is, the right foods at breakfast can protect and even rebuild your muscles. Let me tell you about 5 foods you must avoid in the morning if you want to stay strong. First is white bread. The moment you eat it, it turns into sugar, causing a quick spike and crash in your blood sugar levels. This sudden change blocks your muscles from using protein for repair and forces your body to break down muscle for energy. Many seniors who eat white bread daily lose muscle mass much faster. Second is coffee on an empty stomach. When you drink coffee without food, it raises your stress hormone, cortisol. High cortisol breaks down muscle tissue to create quick energy. This means your body starts losing muscle before your day even begins. Third is processed meats such as bacon and sausages. They contain nitrates that create inflammation in your muscles and damage your cells from the inside. This makes it harder for your body to build or repair muscle, even if you eat enough protein later. Fourth is oatmeal with skim milk. It may sound healthy, but without fat, your body cannot absorb key vitamins like A, D, E, and K that are essential for muscle health. Skim milk also lacks the nutrients needed to support muscle recovery and can even drain calcium from your muscles. And finally, refined cereals. They are low in real protein and full of anti-nutrients that block amino acid absorption. This forces your body to break down its own muscle tissue just to find what it needs to function. These 5 common breakfast choices silently weaken your body over time. Avoid them if you want to stay strong, energetic, and independent. In the next video, I will share the 5 powerful breakfast foods that rebuild your muscles naturally.